Let's make a Grinch bow using the Alina die number 946 from Treto.com. Here I am cutting out all my pieces. So this die is a bigger die, so you're going to need the Big Shot Plus. So I'm laying all my pieces. It does have a half cut, so the half cut, you're going to make sure one is one way and one is flipped over. So you make sure everything is printed the right way when you assemble the bow. Nothing will be upside down. So make sure you do that. So now that we have our half pieces, let's put them together. We're going to flip it over and we're going to glue it down with some BSI glue and some hot glue to assemble that piece. And then we're going to add some hot glue, bring the little wings inside, a little dab of BSI glue, and then hot glue, and put them together. So now let's do a wraparound piece. Add some hot glue, bring it over towards the middle, hot glue, bring it over towards the middle. So right here, I like mine kind of sticking out more. So I like gluing it right there. You could glue it more towards the middle if you want it to hug it, or if you want the more of the outer look, you could glue it right where I glued it at. So it's totally personal preference on how you will like it to look, but I like it like this. So now that we have that piece, let's do our top layer. We're going to add some hot glue, bring it towards the middle. So let's start stacking. So stacking, we need BSI glue and hot glue in all the layers. So here you see me adding BSI and hot glue. And after we do all our layers, we're going to add our clay pieces. So to do that, I need an elevation piece and a wraparound piece. I'm adding 2 clays this time. So you'll see me here, I have my elevation piece right there. I'm going to glue that down first with some hot glue. Then I'm going to get my little wraparound piece for my center, and I'm going to wrap that all the way around with hot glue and then cut off my excess. Once I have done that, it's time to add our clay pieces. I use Starbond Accelerator and Stick Fast. So first I'm going to use the Stick Fast, rub it all over here. I'm going to spray the back of my clay with the Starbond Accelerator and then quickly put it in the middle. So same process with this other one. I'm going to add the Stick Fast onto the bow. I'm going to spray my clay and then I'm going to stick it onto the bow, just like that. So next, let's do our alligator clip with teeth. I'm using a 3-inch alligator clip here since this is a bigger bow. And then we're going to add some hot glue and then put it onto the back. We're going to cut off a little bit there, press it down towards the middle, bring a growing grain ribbon, and then put it down the middle. I'm using my X-Acto knife to press it down to make sure the glue is stuck onto the clip. And here is the final look of the Grinch bow, and here is how it looks like on the outside. Super cute. So this is the Alina die from Treto.com. Follow for more tutorials.